We are back. We are here with my friend Sean Stewart from Custom Audio Video. And as he came in today, I said, oh my gosh, Sean, you have to come and look at my fiber optics and my internet and all this. And I took him over and we looked at cables that were running from the top of my house to my garage. And so we thought it might be an interesting discussion. Jeremy was like, here's a good one for you guys. Let's talk about DIY, doing it yourself versus getting things done, in my world, correctly the first time. So talk us through that a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, I think there's always that battle between, can I do it myself? Do I want to get a professional to do it? And what kind of professional? And I think we kind of talked about your cable situation here, that the professional that did that, their main goal was to get you service. Right. Not necessarily to make it look good at the end of it.
Okay, well said.
So
no, that's a fair statement.
Yeah, and I think that's of all businesses, right? They have a goal, and they work in a scope. And that's one thing I think that separates Custom Audio Video from a lot of other places is part of our scope is that when we leave, we want your place to look beautiful. We want it to look great. We want it to look enticing.
So the aesthetic piece is a really important piece of, okay.
Absolutely. I mean, I think if you go back and look at all the girl talks that we had at our showroom, all the different pieces that have to do with bringing technology into your home, but making it look good.
Mm-hmm. So when I put that into my equation, on the front end, I may see a bit of a price differential, but on the back end, I guess the question is, as people come in to say hi, and on the back end, it is, how much do you value doing things right and then not having to deal with it?
Right. Yeah, of course, there's going to be some people that can do it themselves and do great things. Mm-hmm. But a lot of times, and I've seen it in my own personal life with other aspects, that maybe I can do it, but maybe I can't do it as well as it should be done, or as effective or efficient.
One of the things that I think is really important about when I talk to you, and I definitely drank the Kool-Aid, I mean, you've really educated me with all of this, is all the folks that are with you are professionals. They know what to do. They know in case they run into something that they hadn't predicted, how to handle it. So I think that all of those things have such value. Mm-hmm. I mean, tell me about you have designers, installers. Who is your crew?
Yeah, so we've got a team of designers.
Okay.
Some focused on residential, some focused on commercial. Then we have our installers who also have their own specialties because we have different programs maybe that we use that this tech is trained in, where a different tech is trained in a different one.
I never think. Well, that makes sense though.
And then we've got a service team that kind of covers everything we do. So we have a lot of specialty people in our company, because we want to take care of all these different aspects.
So once I get something installed, you are there and available to service as necessary.
Right. So our whole process, and we've kind of talked about it a little bit, is we start with a designer who's going to help capture what you want, your ultimate goal, and then build those specifics out and design the system. Then we have our project manager who's going to oversee the installation of it with our techs, who are going to be techs that are trained for the programs and the software and the hardware, hey goats, that are going to come into your home. And then we have the service team at the end, because as with everything, some stuff does go wrong. And we want to take care of it as much as possible.
And even if it doesn't go wrong, I oftentimes, when I'm being taught, might need a refresher or a little, need to learn a little bit more about how to make things work.
Yeah, absolutely. And actually, one of the things that we do with our service team is not necessarily that something's wrong, but we have a lot of clients who spend some time here, some time elsewhere in the country. And before they come here, they want all their stuff to work. So they'll call us and go, hey, I'm coming down in 2 weeks.
I love that.
Can you guys run out and check the house?
Exactly. Oh, it makes so much sense to me. I really appreciate you coming. It's always a treat to talk to you. I always learn a lot.
Thank you.
Stay with us. There's more to come on Girl Talk.